can't sleep at night because you're snoring. A student of mine approached me a while ago and she told me, I want to play didgeridoo because I want to stop snoring. And I told her, you know, this is bullshit people say just so they can sell you didgeridoos and teach you how to play. And she said, no. I've seen this research and that research. And I said, okay, let's try. We started learning and we figured out that the more she played didgeridoo, the less she snored. She didn't even circular breathe and she snored less. The more she played the didgeridoo and the more she circular breathed, the better she sleep and the better her life.